Argentina is a country located in South America, bordered by Chile to the west, Bolivia and Paraguay to the north, Brazil to the northeast, Uruguay and the South Atlantic Ocean to the east, and the Drake Passage to the south. The capital city of Argentina is Buenos Aires. Argentina is the 8th largest country in the world by land area and the 2nd largest in South America, with a total area of approximately 2.8 million square kilometers. Argentina is known for its rich culture, including its music, dance, art, and literature. Tango, a popular dance that originated in the working-class neighborhoods of Buenos Aires in the late 19th century, is one of the most famous cultural exports from Argentina. The country is also famous for its beef, wine, and soccer, football, culture. Argentina has a population of over 45 million people, with Spanish being the official language. The country is known for having a high literacy rate and a strong education system,